fidget spinner versus blow dryer. And I literally just got it like not even a minute ago. Let's do this. Welcome back. Right here we have our little fidget spinner. It's really cool. I really like this. But this time we are gonna do this versus this blow dryer. It's gonna be awesome. So let's get started. So as you see, we have this. I already said that. We have this blow dryer. Now you guys are probably not gonna be able to hear me because the blow dryer is really loud. But let's get started. I'm gonna keep it on low. Let's okay. Spin it with our right finger. Crap. The hard part. Start hanging. Okay. All right, there we go. And then it's aim it up like this. Like I actually think it's working. More power. Crap, it's actually really hot. So, there we go. Oh no. It's so hot. Oh crap, it's actually working. It's going so fast right now. Oh crap, it's going so fast. Okay, look at that. Oh, it's starting to slow down now, but it was going so fast. It actually worked. So this video was not a bust, but I bet other fidget spinners could go way faster than what I just did. But if you guys want to watch some more, if you guys want to see some more videos, or have me order another fidget spinner, do a review on it, and then do the blow dryer versus another fidget spinner, go ahead and leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you can't tell, my fingers are boiling hot right now because that was really hot. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.